Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.9 LTS version on Debian Linux 13. Either it may be 13.1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux 13.5, that is Firefox. Go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.9. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system, Debian Linux, then select OS version. See here we have the 13. Select 13. If you are on 12, select 12. Okay. See, once you selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this step bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 489 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.9. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. Now enter the star file, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. ls. Now we have to install these packages, but before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 lib ao-dev. See, both are already in next versions. Control A. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.9. Now set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. See, we have successfully installed. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is active and its service status is enabled. Q2kit. Control L. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. Then put the password that we have set for this user. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.9. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, you got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases that comes with MySQL installation. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command. Use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Now create table. See, you have created table customer. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users by running the command show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Here David 8.1.2.3 is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server 8.4.9 by using this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David -p. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now verify. Select current underscore user. Now try to access the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.9 LTS version on Debian Linux operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify. See, MySQL server stopped 4 seconds ago. Control A. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo system ctl start MySQL. See, MySQL server started 1 second ago. Okay. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DPWR. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Debian operating systems. So we have successfully installed. These files are not required anymore. So I am deleting them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages. ls remove this one also. rm MySQL press the tab. ls we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.9 LTS version on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.